Trail POV vlog. As you can tell, there's a train track over on the side. This is actually owned by CN, but they said we could walk it, so. We walk it pretty much every time I'm over around the area. I think last time we did it 8 times in a day, front and back. You guys are only gonna get to see the view there, and then it'll be over.
We're gonna see the trees.
You're gonna see the trees. There's quite a bit of dead stuff down here. You could probably find a lot of firewood down here. To be honest, this whole thing is firewood. It's all dead. So, like half this in here is all dead. There's a dead log and bark. There's some red trees. Up ahead is the end of the stratum. There's some tall grass. It's all overgrown. I haven't seen it down here overgrown this much in a while. It's been a hot and brutal summer. This place actually, I used to walk pretty often with my uncle Jamie. He was actually pretty cool, and he still is, like my other grandpa. He's pretty cool. Shout out to him because he watches every video. But yeah, this way takes you to the road, and that way takes you to the railroad tracks. And that way takes you back. And this way takes you down to an open field area. So when we get to the bottom, it'll be the end of the trail as far as I go. Sorry about the bumps. If you puke, it's at your own discretion, not mine. I'm not responsible for it. So this is the open field I was telling you about. You may remember this place, you may not. If you remember what video it's from, comment down below. Yep. Alright, well, that's it for today's nature walk.